Greetings, fellow travelers. Today we're taking a virtual journey to the sunny shores of Playa del Carmen, Mexico, to explore the vibrant and lively Hotel Riu Yucatan. This 3.5-star beachfront resort is nestled in the exclusive Playa Car residential estate, just a stone's throw away from the bustling heart of Playa del Carmen. So, grab your imaginary margarita and let's dive into what makes this all-inclusive paradise tick. Let's start by talking about where you'll be resting your head after a day of sun-soaked adventures. The Hotel Riu Yucatan offers a variety of room options to suit every traveler's needs. From cozy standard rooms to spacious suites, each accommodation is individually decorated with a nod to the ancient Maya culture. Picture yourself waking up to the gentle ocean breeze on your private balcony or terrace, overlooking either the sparkling Caribbean Sea or the lush tropical gardens. Now let's talk amenities, because who doesn't love a good perk? Every room comes equipped with air conditioning, a must in the Mexican heat, free Wi-Fi for those essential vacation selfies, and a safe to keep your valuables secure while you're living it up at the swim-up bar. But wait, there's more. You'll also find flat-screen TVs with premium channels, perfect for those lazy mornings when you just can't drag yourself out of bed. And speaking of beds, they're so comfy you might be tempted to spend your entire vacation horizontal. But don't worry, we won't judge. One of the standout features of the rooms at Hotel Riu Yucatan is the unlimited minibar. That's right, folks, unlimited. So whether you're a midnight snacker or just need a refreshing beverage after a long day of beach volleyball, they've got you covered. And for those traveling with little ones, the hotel offers free infant beds. Because let's face it, vacationing with kids is expensive enough without having to pay extra for a crib. Now let's talk about everyone's favorite vacation activity, eating. The Hotel Riu Yucatan doesn't disappoint when it comes to satisfying your taste buds. The main buffet restaurant is a culinary adventure in itself, featuring live cooking stations where you can watch skilled chefs whip up international dishes right before your eyes. It's like dinner and a show, minus the cheesy cabaret act. But wait, there's more. For those nights when you're feeling a bit fancy, or just tired of watching your partner pile their plate high at the buffet for the 5th time that day, the hotel offers 4 specialty restaurants. Fancy some tacos and tequila? Head to the Mexican restaurant. Craving sushi and sake? The Asian restaurant has got you covered. In the mood for pasta and vino? The Italian eatery is calling your name. And for all you carnivores out there, the steakhouse will satisfy your meaty cravings. Now, let's address the most important aspect of any all-inclusive resort, the bars. The Hotel Riu Yucatan boasts 5 bars, including a swim-up bar, because swimming to your cocktail is way more fun than walking, and a poolside bar for those who prefer to keep their hair dry while they drink. And remember, it's all-inclusive, so drink up. Just maybe pace yourself, or you might end up trying to salsa dance with a palm tree. Speaking of pools, let's dive into the aquatic offerings at Hotel Riu Yucatan. The resort features 4 outdoor pools, including one with a swim-up bar. In case you forgot from the last paragraph, it's that important. There's also a children's pool with water slides, because why should adults have all the fun? The pools are surrounded by comfortable sun loungers, perfect for working on that vacation tan or taking a nap after one too many piña coladas. But let's not forget the real star of the show, the beach. The Hotel Riu Yucatan boasts a stretch of pristine white sand beach that'll make you want to quit your job and become a professional beach bum. The crystal clear waters of the Caribbean are perfect for swimming, and the hotel offers a variety of water sports for the more adventurous types. Try your hand at snorkeling, windsurfing, or kayaking. And if that sounds like too much effort, you can always opt for a relaxing beach massage. Because nothing says vacation like getting a rub down while listening to the waves crash on the shore. Now, for those of you who like to stay active on vacation, we see you and we respect your willpower. The Hotel Riu Yucatan has got you covered. The fitness center is equipped with all the standard gym equipment you need to work off those all-inclusive calories. They also offer fitness classes for those who prefer group motivation. And let's be honest, sometimes you need someone yelling, "one more rep," to counteract the voice in your head saying, "one more margarita." But vacation isn't all about working out, thank goodness. For those looking to relax and pamper themselves, the Renova Spa is a must-visit. Offering a range of massages, body wraps, and other treatments, it's the perfect place to unwind and forget about the stress of everyday life. And let's face it, after a few days of all-inclusive indulgence, your body might need a little TLC. The spa also features relaxation areas where you can zen out and pretend you're a celebrity on a luxury retreat. For the little ones or the young at heart, the Hotel Riu Yucatan offers the Riu Land Kids Club. This program is designed for children aged 4 to 12 and offers a variety of supervised activities to keep them entertained while you enjoy some adult time. From arts and crafts to mini discos, your kids will be having so much fun they might not want to leave. And let's be honest, a few hours of kid-free time might be just what you need to recharge your parental batteries. When it comes to entertainment, the Hotel Riu Yucatan doesn't disappoint. The resort offers a weekly entertainment schedule that includes live music, shows, and themed parties. The highlight is the Riu Party, where you can dance the night away under the stars. Just remember, what happens at the Riu Party stays at the Riu Party, unless, of course, it ends up on Instagram. Now let's talk about what's outside the resort because, believe it or not, there's a world beyond the all-inclusive bubble. The Hotel Riu Yucatan is perfectly situated for exploring the vibrant town of Playa del Carmen. Just a short 3-kilometer jaunt from the hotel, you'll find the famous Quinta Avenida, 5th Avenue, a pedestrian street lined with shops, restaurants, and bars. It's the perfect place to pick up souvenirs, try some local cuisine, or dance the night away at one of the many clubs. For the golf enthusiasts, the Playa Car Golf Club is practically on your doorstep. So, you can work on your swing while your family works on their tan. And for those interested in Mayan history, the ancient ruins of Tulum are just a short drive away. It's a great opportunity to add a bit of culture to your beach vacation and impress your friends back home with your newfound knowledge of Mayan civilization. So, what's the overall verdict on the Hotel Riu Yucatan? Well, it's got a lot going for it. The beachfront location is hard to beat, and the all-inclusive package means you can leave your wallet in the room safe. Just don't forget the code after one too many margaritas. The staff receives consistently high praise for their friendliness and attentiveness, and the cleanliness of the resort is frequently mentioned in reviews. However, like any hotel, it's not without its quirks. Some guests have mentioned that the rooms could use a bit of updating. The last renovation was in 2013, so if you're expecting cutting-edge modern decor, you might be disappointed. But hey, you're in Mexico. How much time are you really planning to spend in your room anyway? The food gets generally positive reviews, with guests praising the variety and quality. However, as with any all-inclusive resort, by the end of a week-long stay, you might find yourself craving something different. That's where the proximity to Playa del Carmen comes in handy. You can always venture out for a meal if you get tired of the resort offerings. One of the unique selling points of the Hotel Riu Yucatan is its commitment to sustainability. The hotel is eco-certified, so you can feel good about your vacation choice. They've implemented various initiatives to reduce their environmental impact, which is always a plus in our book. For checking booking availability and prices at your desired dates, you can use the link in description. I hope this video was helpful. Give it thumbs up, subscribe for more travel-related content. If you are not ready to book this hotel, you can watch our Best Hotels playlist and choose the best one for you. Thanks for watching.